Okay, let's see. These are happy birthdays and welcomes. What's up, pretty gang? It's about 8:15 in the morning. I pulled up here at, you can see, Safeway, because I have a client today and she is actually getting married. You know what? And this particular client, you guys, she's always bringing me little things to celebrate stuff. And so her appointment is at 9 a.m. this morning. So her appointment is at 9 a.m. this morning, and I kind of just wanted to get her a little something to celebrate her getting married. So I wanted to return the favor because I've known her for a couple years now, and she's just so stinking sweet. So I'm thinking I really want to get her a balloon, and I was thinking maybe a card, but probably not. We're gonna see what I have time for because I honestly need to be leaving to work. So, okay, balloons are right there. So we're gonna see. Okay, I lied. I can already tell I didn't like those ones, so let's go over here because they have balloons at the checkout. But these are all birthday balloons. Okay, let's see. These are happy birthdays and welcomes. And it's a girl. It's not what I need. Okay. All right. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna be honest. This did not go how I thought. Oh, okay, here go wedding. Maybe. Well, let's get a card. Let's maybe try and find a card. I want to find like a silly card. She's silly. Oh, but look at this. Is cute. I like stuff like this. Oh, I'm like, they don't have any like the cute stuff. Ooh, I like this. And they're getting married in Vegas, you guys. Dang, they're getting married in Vegas. This is very Vegas. Eat, drink, and be married. Okay, let's see. Celebrating special bride to be. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, cute. Forever and then some. I like that. I like glittery stuff. Obviously. No, I like the new Mrs. and Mr. and Mrs. That's what I'm gonna do. But this is cute too. But yeah, I like the new Mr. and Mrs. with the ring in it. It has a nice ring, doesn't it? Okay. Oh, and see, I think I got the last one. Look at how that works. Okay, so yeah, I'm definitely gonna get this card. And maybe I can find a gift card to put in it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get them a Topgolf gift card. I don't know what hotel they're staying at, but if you guys don't know, the MGM has if you guys don't know, the MGM in Vegas has a lit-ass Topgolf there. And they're going to be there for quite a bit. So I feel like that would be really, really good incentive to get them to visit and look around. And I feel like it's an activity they can do, you know, maybe use it for drinks, do whatever. So yeah, I'm definitely going to do the Topgolf. And I think that will be a really good choice.
I know, I saw you doing videos.
Yeah, I'm trying to surprise my client because... Okay, mission accomplished. Got everything we needed. Now, I was supposed to come earlier, so that way I wouldn't be late to work. But I did end up texting her, like, hey, girl, I need a few extra minutes. Can I just text you when I'm ready? Because, girl, this is finna happen one way or another, okay? So I'm finna get to work, and then I'll update you. Okay, guys, I'm here at work. It is 9 o'clock. Now, I had to make sure I'm not parked near her because I still need to get those out of the car. I'm planning on tucking them underneath the sweater or putting them like in a separate bag. Then I'm gonna get in there, set the stuff up, and then I'm gonna text her like, okay, girl, I'm ready for you. So yeah, let me go ahead and see if I can get this jumping. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you. What I just did looks pretty sus. It does. It does, but that's okay because I'm pretty sure that she's somewhere in her car still, and it kind of just looks like I'm carrying a bunch of stuff. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty sus. It is very bulky, You guys can see. But I can't even let it go. There's like strings hanging. Y'all see. It looks very sus. But it's okay. Because I'm almost certain she's still in her car because I told her I would text her. And that's typically what she does. If she stays in the car. So, yeah. Like, okay, I guess it doesn't look that bad. It just, okay. It don't look that bad. Okay, cool. So let me set up. Set everything up. Ah. Okay, there we go. So, whoops. Okay, so it is about 9:05, which is perfect. Perfect. Because I do not want this to be taking too long. But I want it to be making sure that I get this done within the grace. Oh, shoot. That I get this done within the grace period. So, okay. I need to turn on all the lights. Now the card, I do want to sign. I need to take the Uber. I want to take the Uber and the top off. Oh, but see the Uber, like this is the Uber. Okay. So I'm just gonna leave them in like this and stick it in the card. Or stick it in the back, I want to say. Okay, card is signed. I'm gonna stick this in there. Oh my gosh, oh. You guys, I don't have time for this. Guys, the amount of focus and concentration right now, you don't even want to know how fast I drove here to get here. And then somebody almost knocked me off the road. Okay. Oh, yay. Perfect. Okay, so this is the setup. It is pretty plain, but when she walks in, she's not going to expect it, you know? And then, boom, the card right there. So I'm going to set up my camera somewhere to surprise her, and then we're gonna see her reaction. Okay, and then she just texted me right now asking me, do I want something to eat or drink? You see what I'm saying? Like, that's why I fucks with her. I'm trying to do this for her, and she's still trying to do something for me. So that's good. That means she most definitely didn't see me try to bring these crazy ass balloons in. So when she said that, I just told her, like, I text, but the message didn't go through. Just so that way she would know that I am actually like super duper ready for her. So yeah, I'm actually very excited, you guys. I'm super duper excited for this. Yeah, you know, I love my clients, and especially for those that go like above and beyond. Like I said, literally on my birthday she always gets me a little something. Holidays she gets me a little something. Like, Colleen don't play. It's 9:21. I feel like she's almost here. By the time I texted her that I was ready, it's like around 9:10. I didn't know that she was like getting something to eat, but it's okay because I'm gonna do her soak off and her acrylic tones probably at the same time, just to kill two birds with one stone. Because the soak off and acrylic tones is gonna take roughly both an hour. So yeah, that works. Hi. How are you? I'm good. How are you?
I'm so sorry. They took forever to get the muffin. I was like waiting for the rest, and I was like, guys, it's just a muffin. I thought you were just going to throw it on there.
Thanks.
Well, how are you? I'm good. I was gonna say, I was like, these are so cute. Oh,
It's for you.
I was gonna ask.
Your wedding nails, okay.
Right. So there's that one, and then
I really like that one.
I like that one. This one's a little bit more basic, but it's just like the French with the different color, like squiggle. Because you made my squiggles. And then there was one like this, but I know we would like church it up as we do.
Yeah.
You know? But just like with the gold and the blue with the white background.
That one, click on this one again.
Which one is it? Ooh.
Yeah. Yeah, I do have like a really nice like milky white clear that would look really good with this. Now I don't know, well yeah, actually, yeah, that would look really good with that. Go to the other one, the multiple squiggle. That one is just so stinking cute.
It is.
I honestly feel like the only difference is like this is a super monochromatic looking, and the other one has way less squiggles.
Yeah.
So I guess it just kind of depends on, do you want more color like this or less?
I like the color.
You like the color?
Yeah, so you know me.
Okay, and then the other one does have like gold
I was gonna say
foiling, but we can always add that in there to mix the two.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like it.
Perfect.
I like it a lot.
Perfect.
All right, y'all. So as promised, the mini tutorial portion of the video is here. Now, when I say mini, y'all see the timestamp. I mean mini, okay? This is about 3 minutes of footage that I have edited for you guys to see. So I didn't show myself actually doing application or shaping. I have a couple of videos on my channel recently where I focus on shape, structure, all of that good stuff. So you're going to lay your application, do all of that, buff, have them wash your hands. Now these are the colors that I'm using. I'm going to pause because I do have a coupon code for LA Nail Reserve, okay? Code Peaches50, save yourself some money off. And then of course I use my Gel Elixir white. Y'all know that is my favorite white. It is like super coke white. And it dries really good, or I should say it cures really good. So I'm going to lay out a little bit of each, and then I'm using my not polished brush. I want to say this is the fine lines, but this might be the quote-unquote nail art brush. Y'all already know I have a coupon code Peaches for that. All right, so basically you guys saw us discuss the look that we were going for. We knew we were going monochromatic with all of the blues. I went ahead and chose the colors because she decided that, you know the old saying that you need something old, something new, something blue? Like for weddings, her nails was going to be her something blue, and I just thought that was the cutest little thing. Like I told y'all, Colleen is she's just so cute, okay? So we went ahead with the squiggly line design. Instead of a blue background, we went with this milky white, and we did all of the monochromatic colors in squiggle lines. Now we also did the gold as well, as you saw from the other set, and I went ahead and threw the white in there. All right, so now this doesn't really matter. You can go ahead and do your squiggles until your heart is content. She didn't have me do it in a specific way. I just went ahead and did my thug thizzle. Now for the gold, I went ahead and did little half circles because I felt like that would just complement the look really well. All right, I have tutorials on my channel on exactly how I get these sort of looks, these squiggle lines and everything like that. Now, the key to a look that looks really nice like this is going to be quality polishes, quality brushes, and you need a really good base. Now, this is not the length of brush you guys are normally seeing me use. I don't like such a short brush or such a long brush, but that's what I have. And then before I go ahead and put on the bling and the pearls, I'm going to go ahead and top coat. This is the not polished top coat, course, and if it's not that I'm using, then I am using Koopa. Okay, so before we add the bling, I don't like to add it with like bling gel, so I go ahead and I buff the nail in the places where I want the bling. I use Mia Secret Glue resin, spray them in place, and then I go around them with this thicker jazz top coat that's mixed with my glue, and that is how we got this look. Of course, we cannot not oil the cuticles and the fingers and get that together for the pictures, and that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. I have so many great clients that I love showing off. They're okay with being shown off, so that's what I'm gonna do. Hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial. Let me know if you guys would like to see more videos like this. Of course, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, notifications on, and I'll see you in the next video.